Hello everyone, this is Mansi, and today I'm going to guide you how to add the visual at organizational level and how you can update the one when you get a new updated version. So currently, if you can see my screen, I have the report created and I haven't added the date picker yet. So what I will go in my organizational section, I will try to add a new date picker. So we need to first go to settings, and once we go there, we will click on this admin portal and I will save my changes. It will take a few seconds. So once we come to admin portal, as you can see on the left panel, we have all the options. We will click on this organizational visuals and it will take again few seconds to load. So in my organizational visual, you can see all the earlier added visuals, and now I try to add one new. So I will click on this add visual, and we have two options, either from the app source or the file. Since I have website visual, so I will add it from a file. From here, I will browse. So first I will try to add one older version which I have and open it. And you can type the visual name as well. And this is something like if needed, you can add. Otherwise, it will by default show the Powerviz visual date picker logo. So I will click on the add. After it's added, you can see over here it's showing a date picker, and by default it's disabled. In visualization pane it won't show. So I will go here and I will click on enable for visualization pane. So now it will be visible on my visualization pane also. I will just refresh it once so I don't get any issue. Just not mandatory, but you can once refresh it. Now I will go back again my dashboard. So when I come back to my dashboard, over in visualization pane, initially I don't see my visual. What I will do, I will just click on the restore default visual and I click OK. So now I can see my date picker, right? And I will click over it. Just I will add it over here in my report. And you can see it's version 8 and I click right on it in about section. Again, it will show me version 8 and it's from organizational store. And it's a website with dash Powerviz organizational store. Let me add my data here. I will select all different configurations here in the date picker. And just click it OK. And since my license is expired, it will show the license expired as it's an older version. And I will make these changes, save this file. And just to try, like when we update organization with the new version, it works on the other pages also. You don't have to update on each pages. So I will add it over here also. And just save everything you did. And again, I will go back to this advanced setting, admin portal, and in this organizational visual. If I go to this organizational visual, I can see my date picker over here, right? And if you click on this three dot, you will get this advanced setting icon. Click on the setting icon. Again, from here, I will click on the browse icon. And when I click on the browse, it will again take me to my desktop to upload a new version. So this time I will pick my latest version. Click over here. As you can see, it's 0.14 new version and click on open. So now my latest version is over here and I will click on the update. So once it's updated, let's once again refresh it and we will go back to our dashboard page. So when you will come initially on this page, it will take few time to load. but initially it will show again its license expired, earlier version only. But we need to once just refresh the whole page, whole dashboard. So once you refresh the page, again it will take some time to load all the visuals. Yeah, once it refreshes, you can see the license expired tag is removed. And on the second page also, if I go, you see again date picker is coming without license expired tag. So now it means I have my updated dashboard, my updated date picker over here. And if I click over this visual and click on this visualization pane and about section, so you will see the updated version 0.14. So once you update everything in the organizational visual and come back on this file, you need to once trigger the whole dashboard by clicking on the reload this page or refresh this page. Then you can see the updated date picker without any further to add on each pages. So this will, yeah, save your time. So I hope this video is clear. Thank you very much.